Namaste. Today I am making dum aloo recipe. For this recipe I am using some boiled potatoes. It would be better if you use the small size potatoes. Then I am using puree. I made this puree with 2 big size tomatoes. Then 1 big size onion, or you can use 2 medium size onion also. Then ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Then in spices I am using turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and homemade masala. This masala's link I am going to give you in the description box. You can check there. And I am using this black cumin. It is optional. You can skip this if you don't want. And this is raw cumin. Then 2 bay leaves, 1 cardamom and little cinnamon stick. I am using this little because once the dum aloo will be ready, I am going to put little garam masala powder in that. That is why I am using this khara masala little only. So first thing friends, I am going to fry these potatoes first. So first, once the oil is heated, we have to fry the potatoes. So while frying, that time we should prick these potatoes little bit, or in the beginning also you can, with the help of fork or knife, you can prick it, so that all the masala will easily go inside. So while frying, I am putting little turmeric powder and salt. So like this we have to fry it. You can see how it is looking now. Like this, when it looks, that time we will take it out. So like this we have to fry it first. So friends, once we fry this potato, after that we have to fry the onions. So now I have added little more oil here, 1 spoon oil. Next thing I am going to do is this all khada masala, jeera, everything I am going to put it here. So just saute for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes we have to saute it. Now I am going to put this ginger garlic paste. So now we have to saute this ginger garlic paste for 1 minute. Now I am adding tomato puree. Just saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. While cooking this tomato puree, that time only you have to add the masalas. So let this masala cook nicely till it starts leaving the oil. We have to cook this masala on low flame. So now here only I will add this onion. You can fry this onion separately also, and or with the masala also you can fry. So friends, you can see this masala is cooked nicely now. Now I am adding this potatoes. Saute for just 2 minutes more. So after 2 minutes I will add water for the gravy. Now I am cooking this for 7 to 8 minutes like that on medium flame, medium to low flame like that. So friends, you can see this dum aloo is ready. You can see the oil here. So it is done. Now I will add garam masala and little ghee to this dum aloo. When we cook dum aloo, that time we should boil the potato 90% like that. It should not be more soft, because after that also we have to fry the potatoes, then again with the gravy we have to cook it. That is why when you boil this potato, it should be like 90% it should be boiled. First I am adding little garam masala, just this much. And also I am adding little ghee to this, like half spoon ghee. Once the dum aloo is done, it is ready, that time only we have to add this and nicely mix it. So this gravy is ready. Salt and chili you can use according to your taste. So friends, I hope you will like this dum aloo recipe. You can try this recipe. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you friends, take care.